Scary Count V64, Bizarre Bub.
The following video shows three friends who are hanging out at a friend's house when suddenly an unsettling occurrence is caught on camera. What starts off as a simple get-together eventually turns into something straight out of a horror movie. The friend hosting the gathering is filming her friends, showing off her new camera when the following is caught on tape. This is what was captured.
Why are we recording?
Hey. Hola. Sí, su boluda me gusta. Hola. Qué divina tu cámara. ¿Te gusta? Mía, boluda. A nadie me regaló, boluda. Me regaló mi mamá.
This already feels like a skit.
Tenía. Escucha, trápate tu nombre. Hace mate. Dale, dale. Mira. Aguanta que todo. Ahí está. Ajá. Dale, te compras si no se usa. Escucha, es que me pasó nada. Te cuento lo que tú no sientes. ¿Qué le pasó? Chocó con la moto. Con la moto del papá. No, ¿quién iba? Con la moto del papá.
Why is she recording? This is weird. That does not make sense.
Vamos a jugar de la copa. No, dale, eso estamos. Y para eso vinimos más o menos.
The Ouija recommendation.
Vinimos a visitar para eso. Ale, claro.
See, that's the friend you gotta kick out of the group. This is not a good idea. And we're just recording it. As if we didn't already start recording. You're acting like this is like...
tráele más allá. A ver. Ay, estamos entonces. Acá. Ahí. Más frío tu mate. Ahí. Más o menos. Ahí. Tengo un hambre. Ahí se deja, ahí está. Feliz.
We haven't even started yet. And you're gonna tell me something.
Yo tengo más experiencia. Pregunta, bueno, ¿en serio lo que está pasando? Sí, en serio. Pregunta si hay alguien en esta casa. ¿Hay alguien en esta casa? No jodan, ¿en serio se movió? No jodan, ¿en serio? ¿Viste? Vos sos boluda. Ay, no, una joda. Ay, fue una joda, basta. ¿Qué hacer con eso? Pero boluda de cuadro.
Dude, why are we watching this entire video? Oh, because the glass moved.
No, jodita, ay, pero para empezar, bien. Pero si vos...
And it just moves so cleanly, dude. There's no way that this is a real video. I mean, there's so many possibilities. Like, she could be underneath, or you could have underneath, like, the magnet thing. Like, this is not, like, undoable. And the recording doesn't make sense. They're not acting like the camera's, like, a weird thing. Like, they normally have a camera. That doesn't make any sense. So this is totally not a real video. What a waste of time, bro. Watching the whole damn thing, the whole setup and everything. For what?
This next video comes from two friends who caught something pretty creepy on camera. The video takes place inside a friend's house where numerous unexplainable incidents have occurred, from hearing footsteps from the floor above to seeing things move on their own. The activity
just show me the video. Let's stop with the B-roll.
Was captured.
My God.
Alors, on vient de mettre pause au film. Ça a couru à l'étage. Et ça bouge de ouf. Lucas, tu vas voir.
C'est grave chelou que ça bouge sans rien.
Wait, so he didn't see the guy run up the stairs? Or hear the person run up the stairs? This already makes no sense.
Ça va se casser la gueule.
C'est hyper flippant.
Ça s'arrête pas, hein.
Faut qu'on aille voir.
Vas-y.
Bro, it's momentum. It's not gonna stop yet.
Je t'attends en bas. Hein.
Cool. Bah, viens avec moi.
C'était une blague.
Nah, this is ridiculous already.
Lumière de ta chambre, c'est déjà bien flippant.
La chambre rouge.
He just has his room in red light like that all the time.
They get to the room, but find no one there. A few minutes pass, and the friend recording tells us about the situation.
Et donc là, il y a Mimi qui nous a rejoint.
there's so
mais sur
much
le
dead
reportage,
space in this video.
Maison hantée, je tiens à préciser qu'on a entendu quelqu'un littéralement courir à l'étage. C'était pas le chat, évidemment, il était vers nous. Et on n'a rien.
Bro, the other guy said it's weird that that thing is moving. He didn't say anything about the footsteps. He acted like that was not even part of it. So I would.
Dans la chambre. Là, c'est quoi comme chambre?
C'est la chambre d'amis. Mais on s'en sert quasiment pas.
C'est hyper flippant. Ok, donc là, il y a littéralement une porte ouverte. Ce qui est...
Ouais, bah, normalement, c'est le placard qui est fermé.
Yeah, normally it's closed. This is stupid, bro. This is bad acting, like
C'est le
101.
placard où j'ai mis tout le bordel que j'ai emménagé. Puis c'est allumé, normalement. C'est pas allumé, normalement.
C'est quoi cette...
Oh my god, just get to it.
After
This is so
minutes of just
stupid.
staring at the closet, they make their way towards it and check inside. But just like the red room, no one was in there. Unable to find the source of the running footsteps, they proceed to go back down. But then,
There was no footsteps.
just as they reach the bottom of the stairs, they capture this.
Some added sound of footsteps. Bro, if somebody doesn't pop out with a knife, I'm gonna be disappointed. Go faster, bro. Like, if this is a real intruder. Go in there. Hurry up.
The sound of footsteps can be heard inside the room. Viewers have pointed out that even the kitten had sensed something strange in the room. Perhaps
Yeah, that doesn't mean there wasn't anyone in the room, bro. And the way he, like, pans here, I feel like you easily could have slid out of the angle, you know? Like, just out of camera view. Like, you're behind the door, you kind of get down, and then walk around him. And then he slow pans so you can't see anything. Bro, come on, man. This is just terrible acting anyway. So this is definitely fake. What a waste. This whole video, bro. It's just lead
information,
up.
but it's still
It's all lead up, and there's no actual shit happening.
sudden. Something pretty creepy is caught on camera. It's worth noting that this incident took place at exactly
Of
3:33
course it
a.m.,
did.
which meant
That doesn't even look like a real timestamp.
It's worth-
That looks like it was put in after the fact. That is not like a real camera timestamp.
noting that this incident took place at exactly 3:33 a.m.,
And they most always are in like military time, so that wouldn't even be the right format.
which many people believe means something, whether it's signaled
Okay, yeah. See, lore,
to sleeping when this
fairy tales,
happens.
and lore. That is not a real timestamp.
For some mysterious
wasn't
reason,
weird at
the child
all.
wakes up and then quickly stands before staring at something in the room. They stare at
normal
whatever it
baby
is that's
shit.
in the dark, when seconds later, a toy or some sort of music box goes off by itself. Then, without warning, the crib shakes on its own. No other information is given on this video, and the original sources
Bro, that doesn't mean anything. This is a normal this video. There's nothing weird about this. And the entire camera shook. The entire camera shook. So this wasn't like just the crib moving. Like maybe it was like a small earthquake or something. I have no idea, but it definitely is not a crib demon. And yeah, absolutely fake timestamp. Like so bad.
S is exploring an abandoned location that is said to be haunted. The place in question is a traveling lodge that went out of business many years ago. What is left of this place is nothing but dusted furniture and destroyed appliances. However, there is something about this place that makes S feel very unsettled. He can't put his finger on it, but he knows that it makes him feel spooked. Not sure what it is, he continues to explore the place. But when he gets to a certain room, something very strange happens. Take a look.
I'm already getting the vibe he sets up these videos. Just the branding right there alone. Why do I doubt that though? And if anything, it's a squatter. Nothing crazy. Okay, yeah, I told you. He sets these up because it's cute. And if anything, they probably left that room so nobody would be in there. Yeah, that doesn't even look real. I'm sure it is, but that looks so ancient. Okay, that was
Out of
it?
all the rooms, there's something about this one that deeply unsettled.
It's just a spooky
For this
room.
reason, he leaves the camera behind in the hopes of capturing something as he continues to explore the rest of this place.
No.
Time passes, and not much happens. But then suddenly,
I agree, Ninja.
after a
This
few
is-
hours,
there's no way he's
this
doing
is
this alone.
captured.
Of course something crazy is gonna happen because he set it up. Well, you like move the cushion up a little bit? That's it.
If you look closely, you can see the back cushion on the chair pressing up against the wooden frame as though someone were sitting down on the chair.
Okay, I mean,
As you
could
can
still
imagine,
do that, though.
S was left completely baffled by this footage. He knew that there was something odd about this room,
Nah, that's just
and this
silly.
video confirms that his intuition was correct. But of course, what are your thoughts on this? Might there be a possible explanation for this video?
It's a good like environment. It's like that's why they do the urbex ones so often because it's believable because it looks like it looks haunted. But I mean, it's just silly. I'm sure it's working. No, I'm sure he's doing well. That is that's the minds of people that love the scary. I don't get that. I don't understand it. It doesn't satisfy
This last
me.
video comes from Simon Lockhart, who works at a hotel as a security guard. The hotel is believed to be haunted.
That's probably the angle of just the image. The still like it just looks like you're gonna manipulate. I mean, I can't trust that.
As there have been multiple
You just felt
reports
like
of
setting a
paranormal
camera up?
sightings. One night, while being on duty, Simon checks on a noise that seems to be coming from an attic space inside the hotel.
Oh, that's a crazy.
He goes
ladder.
in and
Have I
encounters
seen
something
this
pretty
video?
spooky. This is his video.
I'm over at the restaurant right now that's connected to our hotel. The door's been wide open. And they said
I
they've
swear I've seen this.
seen lights going on and off in here.
Oh shit,
Is
maybe
the
they just use those
area?
ladders.
Very, very narrow stairs, and I just smashed my head on this freaking pipe.
Well, even this one, like, what the? Where are you at, bro?
Hello?
Did you just like Google?
Oh my god. There's no one here. There's no one here. Nope. Nope. Okay. Okay. I'm out. I'm out. Okay. Just leave me alone.
Don't get to see that though.
Simon was
I
immediately
didn't hear it because I was yapping.
Hello? Oh my god.
I don't know, bro. When they put the text like that, that's what you have to read it as, because that's like science. I don't know exactly, but I hate when he puts the text up there like that. And then him thinking something grabbed his shirt. He's already freaking. Like,
the hospital after falling from the attic. He
oh my
states that
god, what, he fell?
Simon was immediately rushed to the hospital after falling from the attic.
Oh,
He states that something
Simon.
had tugged on his shirt, but doesn't know what. Even more strange is that he heard a clear voice say "get
did
out"
not
as soon as he
fall.
entered the attic. Viewers believe that a spirit dwells inside and was upset with Simon for invading its privacy, but it's not sure if that's the case. This video was taken over a year ago, and it seems that paranormal activity still occurs at this hotel. Yeah, out of all paranormal
that's what it would have to be, dude. It's like somebody is up there and you just didn't find them.
It dwells
like they have a
inside.
good spot, like they're up, so in the dark or something.
and was upset with Simon for invading its privacy.
But I don't even know if they're saying get out, you know? I think they're just making a noise to scare you. And it did. Why are we saying he fell down? That seems over dramatic. We have no video of that. Like there would be some sort of like article. Like I don't know. I don't believe that. That feels really necessary. I don't know if I like this video, dude. This was, I don't know. This one was okay. Like if there was an actual squatter there, like that might be the scariest thing that happened in the entire video. Dude, 40K people were like, hell yeah, that's wild. Yeah, it's private, hidden, dry, and probably warm with. Hell yeah, dude. That's where I'd want to live. And then you could just come out of your shell if you need to go do some shit, like some squat. I don't know what they do. Maybe just hang out all day. You got to go get snacks. I think you're going to starve up here. So you got to bring snacks. Anyway, dude, I would like to be a squatter for just like a week, you know? Like legally and all, just to see what it's like. I would hate it though. I already know that.